students. So today I am going to teach you about the adverbs. Okay, what is adverbs? We do not know what is adverb. So here given I am writing the definition of the adverbs and types of the adverbs. Okay, so let's see. The first we discuss about the definition. Adverbs. An adverb is a word. An adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Okay, where we use means in a simple language, an adverb is given more information about the verb. Okay, or else we say the modifies the meaning of what? Meaning of verb, adjective, or another adverb. Okay, so here there are types of adverbs. Okay, so see the first type, adverbs of quality, manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of reason, adverbs of affirmation, negation, adverbs of degree, adverbs of focus, adverbs of interrogative adverbs, and relative adverbs. So these are the types of adverbs. So what we do today, I discuss the types of the adverbs in detail. So the first, see here, adverbs of quality and manner. Okay, adverbs of quality and manner tells us what, how, or in what manner an action is done. How or in what manner an action is done. Means which words we use as adverbs of quality and manner. So here are some words, see, given as an example: boldly, bravely, quickly, slowly, easily, fast, and so on. Okay, so here I am given here the example. Okay, I run fast. I run fast. It's a subject, verb, and adverb. Fast is the word, shows that it's an adverb. Okay, I run, subject and verb. But how do we run? So fast. If I say I run slowly, okay, if say I run what? I walk slowly. I walk slowly. It's very easy example here I am giving you. I walk slowly. How I walk? It's slowly. Okay. How I run? Fast, slowly, then quickly, bravely. These words we use as adverbs of quality or manner. Okay. How a person has quality and manner. Using this word we can say he has a good quality or manner. Okay, I got this answer easily. I quickly took the book. I go to that place and quickly got that thing. Okay, so this is how we use the adverb of quality and manner. Now comes to the second one, adverbs of place. It shows the place. Okay, so what adverbs of place give us an information about where an action occurs, in which place the action is done. Okay, so it shows that the place, adverbs of place, and which words we use as the adverbs of place. Here I am written already on the board. See, in, out, here, there, everywhere, up, down, and so on. So these are the words we use as the adverbs of place. It shows the place. So here is the example. He go to near the well. Okay, he go to near the well. She finds things everywhere. Okay, she finds things everywhere. So these are the words we use as what? As adverbs of place. In somewhere the place shows that, means give us the information about an action occurs that place. Okay. Now come to the third, adverbs of time. Shows the time. Means adverbs of time give us information about when an action takes place. When an action takes place. In what time that action is being done. Okay. So in sentences here given some words we use as the action adverbs of time. Okay. Since, before, after, ago, yet, still, today, then, soon, and so on. So many words we use as the adverbs of time. Today, tomorrow. Okay. We use that words. So the example. I go to temple today. Okay. I go to temple today. It shows the time. Okay. Second example. He runs after her. He runs after her. Okay, he runs after her. This words today shows the time, after her shows the what? Adverbs of time. Then the next is the fourth one is adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency gives us the information about what? About the how often an action takes place. How often? How many times? Okay. So it's see always, often, never, rarely, hardly, sometimes, and so on. These are the words we use as the adverbs of frequency. He. See the example. He rarely use his mobile phone. Okay. She always tells truth. She always tells truth to everyone. This is the words we use as adverbs of frequency. How many times we use? Okay, always, often, never, rarely, hardly, sometimes, and so on. See, go to that place often. We use the words as the adverb of frequency. Means how many times. Okay. Then comes to the next adverb is adverbs of reason. This adverbs of reason establish logical connection. What? Logical connection between two propositions. Logical connection between two propositions. See here. Some words which word we use. So, therefore, because, as, hence, and so on. There are two words joined with the words and shows the logical connection that between that two sentences. Okay. If given the example, I go to market. So, I go to market. So, I buy some things. I purchase some things. I am reading a storybook. I am reading a storybook because I like stories. Okay, I am reading reading a storybook because I like stories. Okay, so this is how we use the adverbs of reason. Okay, if the question asks with why and we get the reason, so we use this type of words, and we know there are two sentences joined with this adverb. Then the next is adverbs of affirmation, negation. Okay, these adverbs are used to confirm or negate an action. Used to confirm or negate an action means there are the words we use as positively, absolutely, certainly, surely, negatively. These are the words we use as affirmation and negation. If we use these words, I certainly do these things. So we use the affirmation that word. And if we add not in a sentence, that means that is the negation we use. I do not like this thing. Okay? I absolutely do this work or do this thing. So this is how we use this affirmation or negation. Then the next is adverbs of degree, adverbs of focus, interrogative adverbs and relative adverbs. We discuss. Okay, then we have discussed the adverbs. Now comes to the seventh one. We have discussed in the sixth. Now comes to the seventh. Okay, adverbs of degree. So adverbs of degree, it provides the information concerning how much of something is done. How much of something is done. So what we use in adverbs of degree, some words like very, almost, totally, a lot, to, enough, and so on. Okay? He is okay, example I have. He is almost do this work or this work. Second example, he is very famous. He is very famous. Famous is exactly. He is very famous. Adverb here I use. So it's a degree. Shows the information concerning how much something is done. Okay. We use the very, almost, totally. He is totally completed his work. Okay. If we use this too, so what we use, he is too exhausted to work. Okay, remove to, we use. He is enough to do this work. This type of word we use as adverbs of degree. Okay, we use the more word also, more and most. We use as the adverbs of degree. Now comes to the number 8, adverbs of focus. So what adverbs of focus indicate? Indicate that whatever is being talked about in a sentence is limited to that part. Okay, what indicate that whatever is being talked about in a sentence is limited to that part. So we use that word only, alone, just, at least, even, and so on. This type of word we use as shows the focus. Okay, he only do this work. Example, I write the name of a person, Ramesh only does his work. He has just arrived. We use the just as in adverbs of focus. So this type of words we use in these adverbs. Then comes to the 9th, interrogative adverbs. So interrogative adverbs not only modify words in a sentence, but also ask a question Which question? And where we use, they are used to ask question about manner, time, reason, place, and so on. So which type of word we use as interrogative adverbs? So where, when, how, and why. This type of word we use as interrogative adverbs. Okay? Where shall we meet? Where shall we meet? When shall we meet shows the name. What shows the time? Shows the place. Asking the question with where and when. How is getting there shows the manner. Okay? If you use the why, shows the reason. So we use the interrogative adverb asking the question with this type of WH question. And this type of WH question we use in relative pronoun also. Okay? But where and how? Let's see the last one. Relative adverbs are used to connect the relative clause. What? Relative clause to the main clause. Relative clause to the main clause. This WH question, when, where, why, and whenever, shows the relation where we use. Okay? So the example. This is the place where I meet you. Okay? This is the place where I meet you. Shows this clause. Relative adverb we use. Okay? We use whenever, when, and why also in this clause. In relative shows the relation. Shows the two clause. Okay? So this is the information of the adverbs I provide you. I hope you understand about this topic adverbs. Thank you.